Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I talk with you for a while?
Yeah, sure. What do you want to talk about?
If I may just ask, what makes Grace Grace?
Oh, what makes Grace Grace?
Yes.
It's because of His grace.
Oh, that's a great answer.
Because of His grace, I will stop running
Stop running from or to.
from something or someone, from anything. Yeah, that's grace. I read a book last night. It says,
Yes.
Grace means you stop running.
You stop running.
Yeah. Grace means
Means
favor.
favor.
Grace means... Ah, oh my God! Oh my God! Stop! Stop! That's grace!
That's Grace.
Uy, may nabasa ako, Eman, sabi doon, ano daw, love is patient. Diba may love is patient, love is kind, love is... Sabi niya, palitan mo daw yon. Grace is patient, grace is kind, grace is not jealous. Sabi
Referring to you.
referring to myself, sabi ni Max Lucado, stop, stop, that's not me, that's not me. Yun pala, dapat to sasabihin mo yun. Para every time you confess that grace is patient, diba, love. Ang grabe talaga si God, ano? Kasi sabi niya, love is patient. Kaya pala love is patient. Kasi pag may karelasyon ka na, kailangan mo na mahabang pasensya. Diba? Kaya pala love is patient. Video? Oo.
Hi, Ate Luz. Say hi.
Hi. Yun, ang ganda ng book, Eman. Promise. Bilangin kita rin, wala pa akong regalo sa'yo, diba?
Hindi, kahit wag na.
Wala pa tayong regalo.
Wag
If
na.
you want, wag mo akong isahan. Baka ipitin mo na naman ako. If you want, bilang kita, mura lang naman yun eh. Experiencing the heart of Jesus.
Ay, meron ako noon.
Oh.
Book 1, book part 1, part 2.
Ay, wala pa. Yung nasa ano pa ako, sa day 2 pa ako. Eh, yung topic kanina about worship. Kaya grabe talaga yung pagka-bless ko.
Ayan, marami na naman kayo natutunan kay Ate Grace, ha?
Of course, as always.
Basahin niyo yung in-endorse na book.
Oo.
Ano yun? Experiencing the Heart of Jesus.
Experiencing the Heart of Jesus. Highly recommended. You will know the heart of Jesus and you will love Him more.
Yeah.